So hello students, welcome to the video. So in the previous video we finished the creative, not the creative, the general section, okay, of the exercise 9.1. Now today we are starting the creative sections. Creative sections, say from 5 to, I don't know why, from 5 to, I think, as far as possible we'll finish all the creative section A. Okay, so I'll be picking some of the questions that is as sample questions, and with the help of these sample questions you do the rest. Okay, you do the rest of the problems, simplifications, because you need to practice more. So let's move on to the 5A. Okay, so everyone, uh, try to understand how it is done. So it is just like the previous one. The principle is same. First you take the LCM. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, let's first get into the 5A questions. Okay, so in 5A questions, first you take the LCM. In First you take the LCM. In taking LCM, first you just have to see the common among three. I think among three there is none of the common. So if there is none of the factors there among three is common, then you look to the among any two denominator of this, among any two expression. Is there any common here? So x minus 2, x minus 2, there is x minus 2 common, so you write only one time that. Okay, x minus 2. So x minus 3, here x minus 3, only one time from, and x minus 1, x minus 1, only one time. Okay, so this is how you get LCM from the, if three expression is given there. Okay, now let's move on to the next. So in the numerator of every algebraic expression you can see, rational expression, you can see 1 at the top, so it's more easy. So 1 you don't need to multiply, because 1 times multiply, that will be the same. Okay, so here is x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3 is there. What is not there? X minus 1. Whatever is not there, you just write that. And this plus sign here, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3, and this minus. Because of this minus sign, you just enclose within the bracket. Okay, so x minus 3, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2 is not there. Okay, now we just x plus x, twice x, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, I open the bracket, minus x plus 2, divide by x minus 2, x minus 3, and x minus 1. 2x minus x, this becomes x, minus 4 plus 2, that becomes minus 2. So x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 1. See the whether some terms can be cancelled. This one, we can cancel that. Nothing in the numerator means there is 1 still there. Okay, that remaining is x minus 3, another x minus 1. And this is the answer. So now after finishing this, let's move on to the number C, 5C. Okay, let's move on to the number 5C. So you can see there, so there are some changes you have to make. Okay, you have to make in order to take the LCM here, because in every denominator you can see in this in this factors you can see a in the front. Okay, a in the front and the constant term in the back. Okay, so you have to arrange like this in every. So here is okay. Now you have to arrange this. 3 minus a can be written as a minus 3. You have to change this, and just like that you have to change this 5 minus a. You have to write this, change this, change change this into a minus 5. So we are going to do that. Now let's start it. A minus 3, so a minus 4, a minus 5, no problem. Now you look here, a minus 1. Now 3 minus a can be written as a minus 3, but what you have to do is this plus sign becomes negative. Similarly, just whatever we have done here, the same applies here also. So 5 minus a can be written as a minus 5, a minus 3. So this plus sign becomes negative. Now you can take the LCM and just simplify. So among from these three, you just choose. Is there any factors that is common in those three? Nothing. So if nothing is common from among three, then you just take common from only two and write only one time. Okay. So a minus 4, a minus 4, write only one time. And a minus 5, a minus 5, only one time. And a minus 3, a minus 3, only one time. So here write this numerator. So whatever is missing, so a minus 4, a minus 5, this a minus 3 is missing, you just write here. Minus a minus 1, you just write that. And whatever is missing, a minus 3, a minus 4, a minus 3, a minus 4, a minus 5 is missing here. So write this minus sign and a minus 2, this numerator thing, and a minus 5, a minus 3, a minus 5, a minus 3 is there. What is not there? A minus 4 is not there. Whatever is missing, you just write there. Okay. So after this, so a minus 3, a minus 3, that can be written as a minus 3 whole square. Okay. Now I would like to put this into the curly bracket. Okay, or you can simply write inside the round bracket if you want to directly multiply this. Now you can multiply this. Because of this minus sign, you have to keep inside the bracket. Now a into a square minus 5a minus a plus 5. Okay, and here this becomes a into a square minus 4a minus 2a minus minus plus 2 4 8. Divide by a minus 4, a minus 5, a minus 3. Now you can just expand this by using formula a minus b whole square. You know how to imply that formula. Okay, let's see. So this becomes a square 2 times 3 6, 6a plus 3 square, that is 9. So now this becomes a square, like terms, operate that like terms, minus 5a minus 6a plus 5. Here a square minus 6a plus 8. Yes, yes. Okay, now a minus 4, a minus 5, a minus 3. The space is not sufficient, so I'm gonna rub this questions 5a and c. Okay, if you don't mind. Okay, the question is already in the book, so I'm going to rub it. Okay, to be continue. So now you just multiply this, that part. 2a square minus 2 6 is 12. 12a, 2 9s are 18. Now you just, okay, open the bracket, minus a square plus 6a minus 5 by minus sign. Okay, minus a square minus that becomes plus s plus 6a minus 8. Yes, definitely. Divide by, I forgot to write that, minus 4, a minus 5, and a minus 3. Now just operate the like terms. Now 2a square minus a square minus a square, this get cancelled here. Minus a, minus 2 times a square, that will get cancelled here. Minus 12a plus 6a plus 6a get cancelled. And here's the remaining. Minus 5, yes, minus 5, this 18 minus 5. So this is 18 minus 8, 10 minus 5, 5 by a minus 4, a minus 5, and a minus 3. It's done here. Okay, now this is the answer. Okay, 18 minus 5 minus 8, you'll get 5 in the numerator. Now this is the answer. Okay, now if you don't have any problem, we'll move on to the number 6a. Okay, now I am going to rub these questions, 5c answers. Okay, if you haven't done completed yet, you just take a screenshot and you can later copy that. Now we are jumping into the 6a questions for simplifications. Okay, let's move into the 6a. Okay, let's move on to the number 6a. So in 5a, that was a lot more easier because the things were already factorized. Okay, so in this case, now you see the denominator of all those algebraic expression, rational expression. You see the denominator. Now here, the part that you have to do is a little bit exercise you have to do. Now this one, this terms, you have to factorize it. Okay, so you need to factorize this. Let's go into this. Now x square. Now 3 times 2, 3 plus 2. If you don't know factorizing, then you have to practice of the previous class. 3 plus 1, that is 4. And because this is the most important, okay, factorizing is the most important, most prominent thing that will be used in the simplification of algebraic expression. Okay, so that's why 2 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So you have to be very, you have to understand how to do this. Okay, factorizing 3x minus 2x plus 6. Now I'm not going to go into that detail, so you have to learn that by yourself. If you don't know, then you just take a help from your a little brother and sister, because that part you have already left in the previous preceding classes. Okay, so now you take the else common, minus 2 x minus 3, x minus 3 minus 1 here covered, x minus 3, 1 x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2. Okay, now you get the terms x minus 3 x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 3 x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 2 x minus 1. Now in 5 number question it was already like this. Okay, so in 6 number you have to exercise this a little bit and make it into this form, and from here you know what to do and how to do that. Now you take the LCM from among these 3, or you can just operate this only 2, and later after simplifying this you can take that resultant and take the whatever is ending product at the end after simplification, and then you can both simplify by taking LCM of the remaining rest. Okay, so after finishing this, wait, not finished. Okay, now you take the LCM here. So I'm going to take here LCM. So So none of the, from this 1 2 3 expression, none of the any factors are common from there. Now you take common from any two. So x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3 you write only one time. Same like that, x minus 2 and x minus 1. So in the numerator there is 1, so it becomes really easy. X minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 2, that is, the remaining is x minus 1. Here is minus sign. Due to that minus sign, you enclose inside the bracket x minus 3, x minus 1. You write here x minus 2. Okay, here, because of this minus sign, enclose inside the bracket x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. Oh yes, yes. Okay, now you just simplify. You can do you just do it earlier than me if you can. Let's see. Minus x plus 2 minus x plus 3. Open the bracket with minus sign, and the denominator is same, x minus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 1. Okay, this x and minus x cut, and this wait, okay, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus x here, x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 1. You can leave it here, okay, no need to change. The answer will be the same. Perfectly right answer. If you want to put this x variable in the front side, then you have to write, you have to take minus sign common, x minus 4, it will be x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 1. But I suggest you to leave here, okay, or you can present the answer in this way also, no problem. Okay, this is the 6A answer. Now after finishing this, let's move on to the number 6, another question. Well, let's see which questions that I pick. Now after this 6A I have done, B is same like that. Okay, we'll do 6D now. Okay, without any further delay, if you haven't finished this, take a screenshot. Okay, now I'm going to rub this all, and we'll start 60 question. About this 6A, in the back page of the answer is not, it does not correspond to the answer we are seeing here right now. Okay, so the book answer might be wrong in that case. Okay, you have to check that answer, not to believe every answers in the book of the back side of the textbook could be a right answer. You have to analyze that. Now let's, without the delay, moves to the let us move to the 6D. Okay, let's move on to the number 60. So same principles will go with the same way of doing that thing. So in 6A also we factorize this, as and this time also you have to factorize this denominator. Okay, denominator, this expression, this algebraic expression. Okay, let's move into this. Now in here, in the numerator of the first rational expression, you can see here 2a minus 6, you can take 2 common here, and inside the bracket a minus 3. Now a squared, now 20 times 4 5 is 20, 5 plus 4 9, exactly, minus a minus 1. Now a square minus 7a plus 12. 12. 4 3 is 12. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3. You have to write a here. This is disintegrate. Okay, break it down. A minus 2. You can close inside the bracket to make you feel more convenient while simplification. During simplification, 3 5s are 15. 5 plus 3, that will be 8. I always write a bigger number in the front side, okay, because while doing subtractions there will be no mistakes. So make a habit of keeping the big number in the front side, okay. Okay, a square minus 5a minus 4a plus 20 minus a minus 1, a square minus 4a minus 3a plus 12 minus a minus 2, a square minus 5a minus 3a plus 15. Yes, yes. Okay, 2 a minus 3, and I just take the common here, a minus 5 minus 4 a minus 5, a minus 1, a minus 4 minus 3 common here, a minus 4, a minus 2, a minus 5 minus 3, a minus 5. Now here a minus 5 you write, and a minus 4 here comes, and here a minus 1, a minus 4, and a minus 3 here comes, and minus a minus 2. I think this will be a little bit more lengthier. Okay, a minus 5, oh wait, a minus 5 and a minus 3. Now you know how to take the LCM. I have already explained that process, so I'm going to take your LCM here. Okay, this will be right here, a minus 5, a minus 4, and a minus 3. That will be the LCM here. Now from the numerator, 2 times a minus 3. I think no need to take 2 common there. Okay, let's see. A minus 3, a minus 5, a minus 4. What is missing? A minus 3 minus a minus 1. So a minus 4, a minus 3. What is missing? A minus 4, a minus 3, a minus 5 is missing. You just write here. Minus, you just write a minus 2 here, and a minus 5, a minus 3, a minus 5, a minus 3, a minus 4 is missing. Whatever is missing, you just write here. Okay, now after this, well, so copy your answers up to here. Okay, there is not much space, so that's why I'm going to rub this part. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 as 5 steps. I have to rub that part, so you take a screenshot. Okay, now I'm going to rub it. Let's do it right now. Okay, so I want you to take the screenshot. Now I'm going to rub some of the steps for this. So in the 60 also, 60 questions also I'll rub. Okay, you will be needing that no more. So copy up to this up to that last of this question up to here. Okay, now I'll be rubbing this 1 2 3 4 5 steps. I'll be rubbing. Okay, so after this step, this will be our step. Now you just write 2 here. So a minus 3, a minus 3 can be written as a minus 3 whole square. Okay, so you just multiply this. Okay, and because of this minus sign, you enclose without that bracket, without within this round bracket, a into a square. Let's multiply this, a into a square minus 5a minus a plus 5. Similarly, in here also there is minus sign. You close within the okay, so a square minus 4a minus 2a, 2 times 4, 8 2 4 8. So in the denominator, a minus 5, a minus 4, and a minus 3. Okay, now here a minus 3 whole square can be written as a square minus 2 3 is 6, 6a plus 3 3 is 9. Now here a square minus 6a plus 5, a square minus 6a plus 8, divide by a minus 5, a minus 4, a minus 3. Okay, you just multiply this. 2a square minus 2 6 is 12a plus 2 9 is 18 minus a square minus plus 6a minus 5 minus a square plus 6a minus 8, divide by a minus 5, a minus 4, and a minus 3. So this one I think somewhat familiar to the you know, yes, it is exactly same to the why I feel this is exactly same to the previous one. Okay, whatever it might be, but okay, so okay, so 2a square minus a square minus square you can cut here. Okay. Now minus 12a plus 6a plus 6a plus 6a plus 6a, that will becomes positive 12a, and with minus 12a you can cut right here. So 18 minus 8, 10, 10 minus 5, 5, and the denominator is a minus 5, a minus 4, and a minus 3. This is the answer. Okay, so you got it. Okay, so if you have finished this, then without a delay we'll move on to the number 7, a, c, d, and f. So I have done 6 a and d, and 6 b and c is all up to you. You need to practice. Okay, so let's move on to the number 7, a, c, d, f now. So without any delay, I would like to rub this whatever is answer left over in the board. Okay, so you copy that fast, or you take just a screenshot. Later you can copy that. Okay, better not try to copy, you just try to understand, and you have to do more practice. Okay, okay, let's move on to number 7a. Okay, let's move on to number 7a now. Okay, in 7a you can first simplify this, only these two terms, and then after you can do this. Okay, the whatever result it comes in the end, later you can simplify the resultant the end results with this remaining. Okay, that will be the easiest way. So here you can write here. So if you take only these two, minus 4x, you take this full extra for a while. Okay, you just take it just unchanged, let this be unchanged for a while. Okay, now here the LCM will be x plus 2 and x minus 2. Here the x is already there. Okay, so x plus 2, here is the missing part is x minus 2, and here is positive, just write x, and the missing part is x plus 2 there. Now you just multiply this, x square minus 2x plus x square plus 2x. Now you can write x plus 2x minus 2 can be written as x square minus 2 square. Okay, or 2 square you can directly write what? 2 square is 4. So this is the how you do it. Now minus 2x plus 2x you can cancel. Now x square plus x square, 2 times x square, and here x square minus 4 minus 4x, x square minus 4. You see here x square minus 4, x square minus 4 got the same denominator, so you can directly operate the numerator. So here the denominator is same, we can directly write x minus 4 as an LCM, and the numerator you can directly operate 2x square minus 4x. Okay, now so 2x square minus 4x you can take 2x common there, 2 times x common, and the remaining will be x minus 2 to the 4. Okay, so x square minus 4 can be, again it can be disintegrate x plus 2, x minus 2. So I have x square minus 4 can be written as x plus 2, x minus 2. You know the reason. Okay, so the same terms it get cancelled here, 2x, x plus 2. This is the answer. So this is the answer of 7a. Now without delay, let's also move into the number 7c. Okay, 7c now. Okay, now let's start 7c. So in 7c also we'll just imply the same principles. First you operate this, simplify this, then only after then this. Okay, so here the LCM will be x minus y and x plus y. So x plus y, you just write the numerator of this term, and x minus y is already here, the remaining is the missing part is x plus y. So write your minus sign, x minus y, x plus y is already there, x minus y is missing. So you write this as it is. Now x plus y, x plus y. So this becomes x plus y whole square, and this becomes x minus y whole square. So this becomes x square minus y square in the numerator. Let's see if anything from the upper one, if anything can be cancelled, then we'll disintegrate that. But for until now, we just get these things into the formula. 4xy x square plus y square. Now this whole terms, let it consider a and let this be considered b. So what happened is it goes into the formula a square minus b square. So we have already done that also. So if you find this way confusing, then you can just expand this. Okay, x plus y whole square can be written as x square plus 2xy plus y square. You can change this into that form also. The resultant will be the same. So I think for me, I'll just put it into the formula of a square minus b square, which means this is a plus b, another will be a minus b. Because of this minus sign, I have put this inside the bracket. Plus 4xy x square plus y square. I think it will just end here better. So minus y plus y cut, the remaining is x plus x, 2 times x, multiply, nothing here means multiply s. So inside the bracket x plus y minus x plus y, divide by x square minus y square. Here there is 4xy divided by x square plus y square. Now here you can just remove this, cancel this, x minus x, 2 times y divided by x square minus y square plus 4xy x square plus y square is equals to, now 2x multiply 2y, that becomes 4xy, and divide by x square minus y square, another 4xy x square plus y square. Now you can take the LCM from here. So I'm going to rub that. Okay, part I'm going to use that part of the board. So 6D, 7A, and C. That questions I'll rub. Okay. Okay. Now after this, so you take the LCM there. From there, just take the LCM. The LCM will be x squared minus y squared. Another will be x squared plus y squared. This is the LCM. Now from the first 4xy is the numerator. You just write that, and x squared minus y squared. What is not? What is missing there? X squared plus y squared. After that, there is 4xy in the numerator, and there is a missing part is x squared minus y squared. Now you simplify that. This becomes 4x cube y plus 4x y cube plus 4x cube y minus 4x y cube divided by, now this becomes x square minus y square, x square plus y square. This becomes x square whole square minus y square whole square, a square minus b square. Now if things can be cancelled, you just cancel 4x y cube, 4x y cube. This can be cancelled. Now these like terms can be added. 4 plus 4, 8 x cube y divided by, now this becomes x power 4 minus y power 4. This is the answer. So if you have finished this, now let's move on to the number 7D. Okay, 7D and F. Okay, so just if you not finish this, just take a screenshot. Now I'm going to start D and F, the remaining. Okay, now to the 7D question. So we apply the same methods here also, just the same. So if you can do earlier than me, you just try by yourself, and try to finish earlier than me. Okay, let's get started here. First you simplify this. Now I'm not going to explain things anymore. So a plus b, another will be a plus b, minus here a minus b, it will be a minus b. You know the reason behind that. 2ab, a square minus b square. So here you can write a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. I'll be ended up giving some of these steps. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. It can be written minus 2ab a square minus b square. Now here you see this is in the form of a square minus b square. That can be written as a plus b plus a minus b, another a plus b minus a plus b. I have already opened the bracket with minus sign, negative sign, that's why. Okay, minus 2ab a square minus b square. So you just cancel this, plus b minus b, and here also minus a plus a. So here becomes 2 times a multiply 2 times b divided by a square minus b square minus 2ab divided by a square minus b square. The denominator is same. Since the denominator are same, you can just directly operate that part. Okay, so a square minus b square. Now 2 times 4ab, it becomes 4ab minus here is 2ab. Since they are like terms, they can be operated. Now 2ab, 4ab minus 2ab, 2ab, a square minus b square. This is the answer for the 7D. Okay, it's way more easier than the previous one. Now without delay, let's move on to the number 7F. Okay, here also in number 7F also, let's try. Who will do fast, you or me? Okay, let's try at once. Okay, so in this in this case also, you just simplify this first, and the resultant will this with this okay, with this term. Now let's get it started, and please you two start. Who will finish this first? Okay. Now I'm not going into the details and explanations. So here x plus y and x plus y plus sign x minus y, x minus y, okay, y. Tell me why. Tell me why. Okay, this will be, so x plus y, x plus y, x plus y whole square plus, here becomes x minus y whole square. This becomes x square minus y square in the denominator. X square minus y square, x square plus y square. Now you can see here, so there is no formula for this a square plus b square. So if there were a square minus b square in the form of a square minus b square, we can apply that formula. So in this case, you just expand this, because it will not go into the formula of a square minus b square. You just simply expand this. X plus y whole square can be written as x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this can be written as x square minus 2xy plus y square divided by x square minus y square 2 times x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. Okay, now you just cut this, cancel this 2xy and minus 2xy. Now operate this like terms, 2x square and this y square, 2y square. So this becomes x square minus y square. Here 2 x square minus y square all divided by x square plus y square. Now I'll start from here. Okay. Now from here you can take 2 common there. If you want to take common, that's okay. If you don't want to take common and direct simplify by by your own methods, that's okay. That also plus y square. Okay, now you just now the remaining you just take the LCM here. Okay, but taking and simplification with taking LCM here, I'll just start from this part. Okay. So x square minus y square and then x square plus y square. That will be the LCM, and just write the numerator from the first. X square plus y square, and what is missing there? X square minus y square, x square plus y square is missing. So whatever is missing, you just write that. So yes, from the another one, 2 times x square minus y square, and x square plus y square is in the denominator. X square minus y square is missing there. Now we can further simplify. This can be written as 2 times x square plus y square whole square. You can write that. And here x square minus y square whole square divided by, this can be written as x square whole square minus y square whole square. So I think this will be the last questions for today's video, and I think these questions you will not be needing it, so I'm going to rub it. So now I'm just here, x square plus y square whole square. This can be written as x to power 4 plus 2x square y square plus y power 4 minus 2 x to power 4 x power 4 minus 2x square y square plus y power 4 whole divided by x power 4 minus y power 4. Now we just multiply 2x power 4 plus 2 to the 4 x square y square plus 2y power 4. Yes, now here minus 2x power 4 plus 4x square y square minus 2y power 4 whole divided by x power 4 minus y power 4. So just cancel the like terms if it can be cancelled. Just operate the like terms. Now 2x power 4 minus 2x power 4, you can cancel that, and here minus 2y power 4 and plus 2y power 4, it can be cancelled, and the remaining 4x square y square 4x square y square. If you add that like terms, 8x square y square whole divided by x power 4 minus y power 4. So this is the answer. So you are already clear about this situation. So if you're not seeing that, let's tilt this camera a little bit more down there. Yes. Okay, now I think you're seeing that. Okay, now for today's video, that's it. This was for today's video. Okay, up to 7F. So all the remnants that I've left over there, you just have to try to simplify and solve that on your own, because you are the one who will be needing much more practice, okay, to be very fluent in this mathematics, to be very very good in mathematics. That what I mean. Okay, so by saying this, I would like to end up this video right now, right here. So if you like my video and find this content more beneficial and more useful, you can just forward it to your friend circle and some of the students that you might find very useful this content. Okay, so until then, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so until then, cheese, take care and good luck and goodbye.